Hello, it's Christi Reece, and I'm here with the year-end Reece report for 2020, so you know exactly how 2020 stacked up compared to the year before. Most of you know that we had a really busy year in real estate in 2020, and here are some stats for you. Current homes active on the market, this is residential only. We sit at 280, which is just such an incredibly low number. So last year at this time we had 554 active residential listings, so it's just pretty dire out there. We need some listings, so give us a call if you have any thoughts of selling. Current homes pending 385, which is about the same time as last year, and homes sold in December 326. And the year before, only 218. So we had a much more active November, December, and that led to a little bit higher total count for the year. So in 2020, we sold 4,004 homes, and in 2019, it was 3,911. So almost 100 more. And that's pretty incredible considering the lack of activity we had when the pandemic first hit. Of course, we did pick up from there, but that was our busiest, coming into the busiest time of the year. So it really slowed down our numbers, but then we caught up. So pretty amazing. Average days on market. So we have been reporting average days on market and also average sale price, and I'm going to start reporting average and median. So median is the number where there are this same number of sales above that and the same number of sales below that. So some think that median is a truer picture of the current value, but both numbers are valuable. So we're going to start reporting both. Our average days on the market, 82, median days on the market, 56. Average sale price for 2020, $317,298. Median sales price, $287,450. So the average is going to take into account those outliers, those really high properties and those really low properties, and the median kind of levels that out a little bit. Average price per square foot, which is something that we're going to start reporting on as well. So for 2020, the average price per square foot, residential only, came in at $180. Now that will differ if you look at different sectors of the market. It's much higher in the Redlands than it is in the city of Grand Junction or some of the other areas, but that's the overall average for Mesa County. Okay, let's talk about permits issued by Mesa County, because we know that during the pandemic, a lot of people did home improvements, home additions. There were a lot of improvements to businesses also, and there was quite a bit of new construction. So interesting statistics. Single family residences, there were 779 permits issued for a total valuation of $125 million plus. There were also some duplexes and some multifamily, and 127 residential garage permits. So that might be an addition garage or a standalone garage. We had 3 church permits and 9 industrial commercial permits for a $3.5 million valuation. 7 store and mercantile permits for about $8 million, or a little under $8 million. 4 permits for hospital work at a valuation of $15 million. So our healthcare industry is definitely adding to the base valuation of properties here in Grand Junction. Public Works, 14 permits for just over $4 million. Storage and shelter, so you're going to add a really nice storage unit or add a pergola that you need a permit for. 206 permits, so lots of people adding those kind of things to their homes this year for a little over $4.5 million in valuation. Fences and signs, 61 permits, but residential remodels, additions, and alterations, 1,723. So lots of projects going on, and that had a $24 million valuation. And business remodels, 210, with a $38 million valuation. So a lot of work going on out there and people improving their properties. So what is coming up for 2021? Well, all indications are it's going to be another very busy year in Mesa County real estate. We are short on inventory and the interest rates are still low, so that is driving demand and we need listings. So we would encourage you to give your agent, hopefully at the Christi Reece Group, a call to talk about the current valuation of your property, because you might have more equity than you realize right now. We are happy to do a market analysis for our clients at any time, so just reach out and we will let you know how much your property is currently valued in the market. If you have any questions about this data or anything else, we welcome your phone call at 970-589-7700. Happy New Year to all of you from all of us at the Christi Reece Group. Thanks.